Starting a business from home is one of the most practical ways for a mother to earn income while still being present for her family. It allows you to work within your schedule, build something at your own pace, and grow gradually without leaving your home. That is why many women are searching for stay-at-home mom business ideas that are flexible, affordable to start, and capable of generating steady income over time. In this video, we will walk through business ideas you can start from home. For each one, I will explain what the business is, what you need to start, how much it may cost, and what you can expect to earn. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Now let us begin. Pay attention to each idea and think about which one fits your time, your skills, and your current situation. 1. Virtual assistant business. A virtual assistant business involves providing remote support to business owners and companies. In simple terms, you help them handle tasks like emails, scheduling, customer support, research, and organizing their daily activities. To start this business, you need to be organized, able to communicate clearly, and comfortable using a computer. The basic tools you need include a laptop, reliable internet, and simple software like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office. The startup cost is relatively low. You can start with about $100 to $500, mainly for internet, tools, and setting up your profile. With a few clients, you can earn between $2,000 and $8,000 monthly, depending on how many businesses you support. Now, if you prefer expressing ideas through writing instead of managing tasks, the next business will suit you better. 2. Freelance writing business. Freelance writing is about creating content for businesses. This includes blog posts, website content, emails, and articles that help businesses communicate with their customers. To start, you need strong writing skills, the ability to research topics, and basic understanding of how to explain things clearly. The tools required are simple. A laptop, internet connection, and writing tools are enough. Startup cost is usually between $50 and $300. With consistent work, you can earn between $1,500 and $7,000 monthly. Now let us move into something more visual and interactive. 3. Social media management business. A social media management business helps companies stay active online. You create content, schedule posts, respond to messages, and monitor engagement. To start, you need to understand social media platforms and how people interact with content. You will need tools like a laptop, internet, and content creation tools such as Canva. Startup cost is usually between $100 and $500. This business can generate between $2,000 and $10,000 monthly, depending on your clients. 4. Online tutoring business. Online tutoring involves teaching students through video calls. You help them understand subjects like mathematics, reading, or science. To start, you need subject knowledge, patience, and the ability to explain things clearly. You will need a laptop, internet, webcam, and simple teaching tools. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $400. Monthly income can range from $1,500 to $6,000. Now, if you prefer working with numbers instead of teaching, the next business may suit you better. 5. Bookkeeping business. Bookkeeping helps businesses track their financial records. You record income, track expenses, and organize financial information. To start, you need basic accounting knowledge and attention to detail. You will need accounting software like QuickBooks and a laptop. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $800. Monthly income can range from $2,500 to $9,000. Now let us move to a business that focuses on helping individuals directly. 6. Resume writing business. Resume writing helps job seekers present their experience clearly. You help them organize their skills and achievements in a way employers understand. To start, you need strong writing and editing skills. You will need a laptop and editing tools. Startup cost is between $50 and $300. Monthly income ranges from $1,500 to $5,000. Now let us move into helping people grow and improve. 7. Online coaching business. Online coaching involves guiding people to improve in a specific area. This could be career, business, parenting, or personal development. To start, you need knowledge in a specific area and good communication skills. You will need video tools, scheduling tools, and a laptop. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $800. Monthly income can range from $2,000 to $10,000. Now let us look at simpler businesses you can start quickly. 8. Transcription business. Transcription involves converting audio into written text. You need good listening skills, fast typing, and accuracy. You will need a laptop, internet, and headphones. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $400. Monthly income ranges from $1,500 to $6,000. 9. Data entry business. Data entry involves organizing and inputting information for businesses. You need accuracy, attention to detail, and basic computer skills. Startup cost is between $50 and $200. Monthly income ranges from $1,200 to $5,000. Now let us move into digital businesses that can grow over time. 10. Blogging business. Blogging involves creating useful content around a topic. You build an audience and earn through ads and products. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $500. Monthly income can grow from $1,000 to $10,000. 11. YouTube channel business. A YouTube channel allows you to share videos and build an audience. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $1,000. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $20,000. 12. Affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing involves recommending products and earning commissions. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $500. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $15,000. 13. Digital products business. You create products like templates or guides and sell them online. Startup cost ranges from $50 to $300. Monthly income can reach $500 to $10,000. 14. Etsy shop. You sell handmade or unique products online. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $1,000. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $10,000. 15. Print on demand. You sell custom products without keeping inventory. Startup cost ranges from $100 to $500. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $15,000. 16. Dropshipping. You sell products online without storing them. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $800. Monthly income can reach $2,000 to $20,000. 17. Handmade crafts. You create and sell handmade items. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $1,500. Monthly income can reach $1,000 to $8,000. 18. Home daycare. You care for children in your home. Startup cost ranges from $500 to $3,000. Monthly income can reach $2,000 to $8,000. 19. Home baking. You make baked goods for customers. Startup cost ranges from $300 to $1,500. Monthly income can reach $1,500 to $8,000. 20. Laundry business. You offer washing and ironing services. Startup cost ranges from $200 to $1,000. Monthly income can reach $1,500 to $6,000. We have covered 20 business ideas you can start from home. The full guide on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/stay-at-home-mom-business-ideas/includes 35 detailed ideas with full breakdowns. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. We are rooting for you.